is here! Simon, a blizzard on the rise with the smash hits, a disguised maniac right now, and Idiogo from Realization Music.
I was the first to ever get on him. But rarely can I find a man who lasts more than 5 minutes with me. In fact, most men come within 2 to 3 minutes of having sex with me. Even those big dicks can't last.